Everyone on YouTube is lying to you. They tell you that to make money in 2026, you need to go viral. They tell you to dance, do pranks, or follow the latest trend to get millions of views. But here's the math they aren't showing you. Views are vanity. RPM is sanity. I have seen the data behind the scenes, and the difference is terrifying. You can make a generic, funny video that gets 50,000 views, and you might make enough money to buy a sandwich. Why? Because the advertisers don't care. They know the person watching that video is just bored and doom-scrolling. They aren't looking to buy anything. Now, compare that to a boring, shaky video of a guy fixing a zipper with a specific brand of pencil, or replacing a transmission cooler on a 1999 Volkswagen. That video might only get 50 views a month, but the RPM, the revenue per 1,000 views, is 50 times higher. Why? Because the person searching for how to fix specific problem isn't bored. They are desperate. They are holding their credit card in their hand, ready to buy a tool, a part, or a service. Advertisers will fight each other to put an ad in front of that person. That is called high purchase intent, and it is the holy grail of YouTube revenue. So if you want to make a living in 2026, stop trying to be the next Mr. Beast. Stop making content for everyone because everyone pays nothing. Start making content for someone with a problem. Talk about specific brands. Talk about real estate. Talk about engineering failures or financial markets. The algorithm has changed. It doesn't just reward attention anymore, it rewards value. You can chase the clout and starve, or you can chase the specific boring problems and actually get paid. The choice is yours.